This is a quick video how to change this bulb in Kia Ceed. You need H7 bulb. Links in the description box below if you want to check it out. It's very simple. You go to the headlight, this part right here, twist, and then this part, twist. Twist and then come out, and then you pull the bulb out. I need both hands, and replace it. Try your best not to touch this part with your hands. Use a glove or something. You have this slot. It goes with this groove. Plug it in, remove, and put it back. Now I will put the bulb back in with half a twist. Then I put the cover with a twist. This is how you change bulb on Kia Ceed. So I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. And I'll see you guys like always in the next video.